with a live stream. Or so we are. What just happened? Why is it doing that? I want to do this one. All right, we are in Parshas Achrei Moses, Leviticus 16, verse 16. V'chiper al hakodesh mitum. V'chiper al hakodesh. No, come on. V'chiper al hakodesh mitum os b'nei Yisrael u'mipishmeihem l'chol chato sam. וכן יעשה לאוהל מועד השוכן איתם בסוף טומאתם. And he should atone for the holiness from the impurities of the children of Israel and from their iniquities to all of their sins. And similarly he should do for the tent of meeting that dwells among them in the midst of their impurity. Keep our kodesh, mitum os bnei Yisrael mivshem l'chol chatei sam v'chen yaseh oel mayed asher chenitam mitzochtem osam v'chaper al kudsha maso avas bnei Yisrael mimerda ehon l'chol chatei ehon v'chen ya'aved l'mashken zimna d'sharei amhon v'goy sev hon. Mitum os bnei Yisrael, says Rashi, al nichnasim l'mikdash someone enters the temple or the sanctuary in a state of impurity and they don't know about it until the end. When it says the sins, it's talking about unintentional sins. And from their iniquities, that it also atones for those who willingly enter the temple in a state of impurity. And thus you should do for the tent of meeting. Just as you spray on them, the two of them inside, one above and seven below, they would sprinkle the blood. So too on the curtain you should spray the blood from outside, from two of them, one above and seven below. Who dwells among them in the midst of their impurity, even though they're impure, the divine presence is among them. And every human should not, meaning no human should be, but literally every human should not be in the tent of meeting when he comes in to atone in the holy place until he leaves. And he should atone for himself and for his house and for all sake of all of the congregation of Israel. Mipke chib al anash beisev al kol kahal Yisrael kol adam le'yevoy ma'ed b'voyoy chaper b'kodesh asay chipar b'adei b'ad beisev b'ad kol kahal Yisrael. Verse 18. V'yatza al mizbeach asher lifnei Adonai v'chipar alav l'kach midam par midam aschayer l'san al karmen noris mizbeach saviv, and he should leave to the altar that is before the Lord, and he should atone upon it. He should take from the blood of the ox, the bull, and from the blood of the goat, and he should put it on the horns of the altar, around the corners of the altar. Sfira, v'yitain al karnais madbecha schor schor, v'yatzo mizbeach asher lifnei Adonai v'chipar alav L'kach midama par midama fa'ir v'nasan karnas mizbeach saviv. That is before the Lord. The Mizbach Hazov, this is the golden altar. Shehu Lefnei Hashem Behechel, this is before the Lord in the temple. Uma Talmud Loim Riyadza. Why does the scripture say, and he goes out, Lefi Shehiza Hazois Leprechas Ramad Min Mizbech Lefnim. Vizo, that means that he's sprinkling from inside. He's sprinkling matras Mizbech is Kikul Tzeis Min Mizbech Chutz. The gifts of the altar, he has to go out from the altar outside. He begins from the northeast corner. Chipro love, and he atones for the matparaso. What is the atonement of it? He takes from the blood of the bull and the blood of the goat and mixes them together. Izo love, that's Israel. He sprinkles upon it from the blood with his finger 7 times, and he cleanses and sanctifies from the impurities of the children of Israel. This is all on Yom Kippur. All right, I gotta go. I don't know why I'm sneezing. All right, thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.